robotics, or wanna try something new, science experiment, then visit our website sparklebox.co.in and you can find a number of interesting and engaging kits for your kids. You can find our website link in the description below. In today's DIY, I'm going to show you how to make beautiful paintings with the help of fork. The materials required are A4 sheets, pencil, fork, acrylic colors, fevi-stick, origami sheets, paint brushes, sketch pen and a black pencil color. Let's take an A4 sheet and some painting colors. Now apply yellow color on the fork and then trace the fork on the sheet. Trace the fork in such a way that it looks like a circle. Of the chick. Now let's make some flower painting with the help of a fork. Colors, apply them on the fork and trace it on an A4 sheet. Let's outline the lines with green color to make it look like a stem. Let's make a lion with the help of a fork painting. Let's make a circle on a sheet of paper and apply yellow color on the fork and trace it around the circle. around the circle. Paste yellow colored circle in the center. Make the face of the lion with the help of a sketch pen. Share your work with us in our Instagram account. Let's stay safe at home and learn something new every day with Sparklebox. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, bye-bye.